Hey, how's everyone doing today? So I got some more bad news if you own Honda and Acura products. Like I always say, this seems to be a common issue now with these vehicles. You know, the brand new vehicles you expect to be pretty bulletproof seem to have issues right out the gate. Now this isn't as new of one, but I bet you have one of these in your garage and definitely know somebody that has them because I see this vehicle around all the time. So let me explain exactly what this is about. So this one just came out a couple days ago. And like I said, it's rare that you can go 2 or 3 weeks without a major recall coming out. But this one affects over 150,000 Acura vehicles. And the crazy part about this one is it affects just one model. So it affects the Acura MDX. And this could potentially affect from 2014 all the way to 2020. So pretty much the last generation before they remodeled them. And it's funny because I've been seeing people post about having issues with this. So what this recall is about is there's a fault in the car's tailgate lid assembly that allows moisture to get in and causes the interior and exterior lights to go out. And it could include the lights on the tailgate itself, the position lights, so like your door lights, that kind of thing, the license plate lights, and then the full tail lights assembly. And this is due to how the tailgate was designed, since those, the 2014 to 2020, all use the same tail lid, I believe. And over time, depending on exactly where you live, it allows moisture to get in and it'll short circuit some of these lights. So people have been saying that all of a sudden their lights will go out. And the frustrating part about that is not just the bulb that you can pop in, it's that the wiring harness got damaged by the moisture. The good news is that, of course, being a recall, that they'll fix it for free. So if you own like a 2014, you're talking that's 11 years old already, it'll be covered as well. And then if you say you took it to somebody and they had to fix it because of that problem, the moisture came in, they had to put a new wiring harness or had to do another kind of repair to it, you can get reimbursed for that, especially since there's a recall out. So definitely, if you did pay for this, find those receipts and you can get reimbursed by Honda. But the fix is that they'll inspect the wiring harness and they'll install a fuse harness, replace the lid lights, and repair the body dust sealer. And that dust sealer, that's the part that was faulty, which would allow water to come in, or moisture, and will slowly erode the wiring harness, and then eventually it'll go out. So they'll start sending out letters, they say here, on May 27th. But if you watch my videos before, you know I always tell people to get a jump on it. And you can go to the NHTSA's website, and that link will be in the description as well. And you can just put in your VIN and it'll tell you right then if yours is one of the ones that are affected, just in case, you know, if you moved and you didn't get your mail or they lose your mail, you don't have to worry about it and be guessing. And this way you can get that taken care of ASAP. And like I said, if you unfortunately had to pay for this out of your pocket, because, you know, if you're talking a 7 to 10-year-old vehicle, you're out of warranty, so you just had to pay to have it fixed, to have working taillights, you can get reimbursed for that. So that's the good thing. So definitely, if you did that, find all the paperwork and stuff, get that ready, and you just call American Honda and explain this, and they have a form that you have to fill out to get reimbursed. So again, I'm just bringing this to your attention because I see a lot of this generation MDX on the road right now. I mean, they're still going. I see them daily. And so 150,000 is a big number that are affected, and it says more than that. So definitely something good to get taken care of as soon as you can. And if you have one of these vehicles, go out and make sure your lights are all working. Maybe you don't even know, maybe they aren't working and no one's ever told you. So it's a good time to check that. And if you are affected, get it taken in to make sure everything is good and they can repair it so you don't have any issues in the future. So I hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.